Hello, my name is Ghicescu Alexandru. I'm from Kalestat Hogaș National High School from Piatra Neamț, Romania, and today I'm going to show you my recipe of bioplastic. My bioplastic looks something like this. It's quite resistant and can be used for packing dry materials. It cannot be used for heavy-duty uses like, I don't know, screws or tow ropes, but it is quite useful for the other uses. My recipe is quite simple. It requires only 5 ingredients: potato starch, fructose, sugar, and gelatin. Also some hot water. For my batch of bioplastic, I'm going to use 3 grams of each powder and 45 milliliters of hot water. As a rule of thumb, you need equal quantities of powder and about 15 milliliters of boiling hot water for every 4 grams of dry mixture. Now I'm going to put all the powders in this cup. It is better if all materials are in powder form because this helps with the preparation. It's a lot easier when they're in powder form. There isn't a specific order for putting the materials. Okay, now I'm going to pour the hot water. You will notice that the moment I pour the hot water, it does not become a gel. It does not become too dense. However, as I start mixing, it will soon achieve the density of syrup. The solution should have a strong pungent odor specific to gelatin, but once it dries out, it should disappear. It is important that you mix it thoroughly because it has a tendency of forming lumps of undissolved ingredients on the bottom. As you can already notice, it has changed its viscosity. It's no longer so liquid, more like the texture of syrup, as I mentioned before. Now, it is important that you pour it while it's liquid, because once it's cooled to room temperature, it is going to become quite dense and you will not be able to pour it. I'm going to put it on this plastic tray. It's important that it is made out of plastic because otherwise it's going to stick and you will not be able to pull it off later. Now I'm going to spread it on this pan or on this tray, so I can obtain a foil out of my bioplastic. Oh, well, it's not perfect, but it should do. It doesn't have a specific drying period. It dries out according to the thickness of the layer, but in a couple of days it should be done.